Hello everyone, very warm welcome to Venkatvarma chemistry channel. I hope all are doing well. The previous session we learned about distillation and types of distillation is completed. Now in this session we are going to discuss simple distillation. Simple distillation. Let's start our session. Simple distillation is applied only for volatile liquid which are boils without decomposition at atmospheric pressure and contains non-volatile impurities. Simple distillation is applied only for volatile liquid. Volatile liquid means easily evaporated, which boils without decomposition at atmospheric pressure and contain non-volatile impurities. Non-volatile impurities. Simple distillation method can also be used for the separation of liquids having sufficient difference in their boiling point. This method can also be used for the separation of liquids having sufficient difference in their boiling points. This method is used only for volatile liquids that boil without decomposition at atmospheric pressure and contain non-volatile impurities. It can also be used for the separation of liquid having sufficient difference in their boiling point. See, it is used to separate liquids which have large difference in boiling point. The boiling point is greater than 40 degrees Celsius can be purified. It is used to separate liquids which have large difference in their boiling point. The boiling point is greater than 40 degrees can purify. Liquids which have greater than 40 degrees can be purified. Have a look for examples. Separation of sand and water, separation of benzene and aniline, separation of chloroform and aniline, and separation of ether and toluene. Have a look for examples. Separation of sand and water. Sand is a non-volatile substance. Water is a volatile substance. Separation of benzene and aniline. So the benzene boiling point is 80 degrees Celsius. The aniline boiling point is 184 degrees. Have a look for next. The separation of chloroform and aniline. The chloroform boiling point is 61 degrees Celsius. Aniline boiling point is 184 degrees. Next, separation of ether and toluene. Ether boiling point is 35 degrees Celsius. The toluene boiling point is 110 degrees Celsius. So these are the example for the simple distillation. See, the nitrobenzene prepared in laboratory can also be purified by distillation process. The nitrobenzene prepared in the laboratory can also be purified by the distillation process. Say, have a look for experiment for simple distillation. The distillation of acetone and water mixture. So look at for the experiment. See, in round bottom flask we are taking acetone and water. Round bottom flask we are taking acetone and water. The round bottom flask, the temperature rises gradually. The temperature rises gradually. Since the boiling point of acetone is less than that of water, the boiling point of acetone is less than that of water. See, then the vapors are passed through the condenser. The vapors are passed through condenser, condensed to give the pure liquid. The receiver we are getting acetone. Okay, so what is experiment? The round bottom flask we are taking the acetone and water mixture. When rise the temperature, the round bottom flask is heated. Since the boiling point of a stone is less than that of water, it start to vaporizes. The vapors then passed through the condenser and condensed to give the pure stone received in the flask. Yes, a stone can be separated. The round bottom flask separate the water. Finally, water and a stone can be separated by using simple distillation process. Pure stone and pure water can be separated. Distillation of stone and water mixture. Yes, I hope like this video. Don't forget to share your friends. Don't forget give like. If you find this content is valuable, make sure to subscribe for more insightful lectures. Thanks for watching.